looks like right there, not anymore. Is that your knuckle? Yes. You was moving it. I was gonna feel it. You ain't supposed to feel it. It's called the touch my body. You touch the body part. You don't rub the body part. Okay.
I know you're real, and I know you can make me heal.
Hey y'all, Vault Twins here. So we are back, and we have a tag for you guys. This one is the Touch My Body tag. So basically the way that this works is I am going to blindfold my sister, and then okay, so this is how it's gonna work. So sorry, distracted her. I am gonna blindfold my sister, and I am going to take her finger and put it on my body part, and she's going to guess which body part it is. So we're gonna go on ahead and get started. We don't have like a official blindfold. We got a scarf, so we're just gonna use the scarf. Yeah. Okay. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. And I'm gonna give her I'll give her a couple chances at yeah, like 2 chances at answering. Oh, let me go this way. And oh Lord Jesus, no peeking. Okay. Is it too tight? Mm-mm. Can you see? Mm-mm. You can't see me? Mm-mm. What you doing? I feel weird. No, I can't see any. What you doing? Okay. I don't think she can see me. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so this is the best out of 5, guys. So let's see how many she can get right out of 5. Alright, ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. So I'm gonna take her finger and put it on one of my body parts that she has to guess. Is that your cheek? How did you know? How did you know? Can you see? I promise I can't see. Oh, okay. I promise. Okay. Well, I felt like you sucked your cheek in. Oh, yeah, I did. I guess I was going to make it easier for you. Okay, next one. Can I feel it? Like, can I rub it? Yeah. Is that your knee? Yep. You cannot get these right! 2 right, y'all. 2 right, y'all. 2 right. Okay, let's see how you do next. Let's see, whatever. Okay, let's see. Your ear? I'm just that good. No! Just that good. How many was that? 3. That was 3? Yeah. 3 out of 5, yeah. Your forehead? You can see! I promise on everything. And I'm closing my eyes under this blind. Oh my gosh! On everything, I cannot see anything. Like, I promise. Okay, I gotta make this one hard. Let me see. I wish y'all could chime in and tell me. Okay, so this is the last one. Your fingertip? Which one? Index? No. Okay, pinky, because it's skinny. It's real skinny. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect for that to go so fast. 5? Yes. Oh wow. You got them all up. She just that good. She just that good. Whatever. Okay, your turn. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Yeah, baby. That was so Tamar Braxton-ish. Right. Okay, I'll turn it this way. Yeah, put it down. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, you can't see under this thing. I told you. Yours real tight. Whatever.
ain't gonna have no chance to cheat.
I can't see either. Ready, y'all?
Round 2.
I can't believe she got 5 out of 5.
Just give me a doggone finger. Okay.
Okay. I wish y'all could help me.
Oh my subbies, I wish you guys could help me.
Ready? I'm ready.
What is going on?
What? Is that your foot?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah. Huh? Wait, I can't. Ow, that hurts. I can't feel. Sorry. What is that? It's like
Right there, not anymore.
Is that your knuckle?
Yes. Because you was moving it.
I was gonna feel it.
You ain't supposed to feel it. It's called the touch my body. You touch the body part. You don't rub the body part.
Okay, 2 out of 5.
You're trying to cheat.
Okay, I really didn't feel it though.
One more try. You only get 2. Remember we said
Whatever.
2.
Whatever.
That's it.
I really don't
That's all
know what
you
it
get.
is. Is that your cheek?
Nope.
Your shoulder?
Yes. But you said cheek first time.
Dang.
Okay, what was that? 3?
Yeah, that was the 3rd one.
Okay. I lost already. Yeah, might as well just.
I don't even want to keep going. Go ahead.
Might as well
Just go
I might
ahead.
just end this.
Just go ahead.
Okay. I don't know. Okay.
That's your face.
But where on my face?
Like your ear? Near your ear? Like, but it's your face though.
But where on my face?
I don't know.
Then nobody say you can doggone rub. You're such a cheater.
Your temple.
No, it was my forehead. What was that, number 4? Okay,
Yeah.
last one.
Is that your nose?
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't be talking about Well, guys,
Oh my God.
the oldest twin is the winner.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe I won. I'm gonna have to come back. We need to do another
I
tag.
can't believe you won.
I mean, I can't believe you won. We're gonna have to come back. We need to do another tag. A competitive tag.
Win that one too.
So that I can win this time. It has always been this way. Like, since our infancy stages, we've always been competitive.
Yeah.
If there are any
Friendly,
other twins that are
friendly.
watching this video, if y'all are competitive as well, let us know because we've always been extremely competitive.
But it's friendly.
It's
a
friendly
type of-
competition. Yeah. So that was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. So we hope that you all have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have
Yes.
filming it. Comment down below and let us know what you all thought. And if
Don't
you
forget
all
to
wanna
rate and
see-
subscribe
Yeah.
as well.
Rate and subscribe, and let us know if you all want to see any more tags or friendly competitions or whatever
Yes.
between Kenya and I.
So who are we tagging?
Oh, who are we tagging for this one? Touch my body?
You.
and you.
You and you. We're tagging everybody. Do the touch my body tag. And make sure that you tag us when you do it so that we can watch your video.
That's right. Yeah.
We like to be entertained, y'all.
Yeah.
So until our next video, bye.
It really feels as though it's protecting your hair because it's thick. And I know that for the little bit goes a long way. So you don't even have to put a lot on your hair in order to get it to coat your hair. So it's like it's cream based. Yeah, and that's what I really like about it. Because, you know, it just gets down into the hair strand. It really helps to protect the hair. So that's the pro that I have for this. Now, moving on to the